right, boys and girls, in this lesson, it's going to look just like lesson 2 did, where you're rounding. Remember, when you're rounding a number, you're just making an estimate. You're not using the exact number. It's an estimate. So whenever you see that keyword estimate, that means you're going to round. And it usually will give you the direction of whether you're rounding to the nearest 10 or to the nearest 100. So when you're rounding to the nearest 10, that means when you have your 2-digit number, the ones place has to have a 0 in it. Just like we did in lesson 2, it would be your numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 would be a nearest 10 number as well. All right, so when you are estimating and you have to subtract two numbers, first you have to do your estimating. So if we take a look at the number 62, where would that be on a number line? Would it be closest to 60 or would it be closest to 70? Well, remember our midway point here is 65. So 62 would end up right here, 2 spaces over from 60. If it's less than 5 in the ones place, you're going to round down. If it's 5 or more, you're going to be rounding up. So 62 would land right here where that dot is. So that means we have to round down. So 62's nearest 10 is 60. So then if we look at 19, and we want to know where 19 is on a number line, well, the nearest 10 would be either 10 or 20. And right in the middle is going to be 15. So does 19 end up on this side of the number line or this side? Well, let's see. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 would end up right here where that dot is. So it's 1 away from 20. So my nearest 10, my estimate for 19, would be 20. Now the easy part is being able to subtract. So if we have the estimate for 62, the estimate for 19, we have 60 minus 20, which is an easy subtraction. You're thinking 6 minus 2, which gives you 4, and then of course a 0 in the ones place. All right, have fun practicing. You're getting ready for 3rd grade lesson today.